Wednesday, June 27, 128.2. 128.2. 128.2 minus 1.2. How are you doing with your work? Let me come and see. When did you do this page?
That page? Yesterday.
And that's the only page you did yesterday?
Yeah.
I'll see how many
Well, there's a lot of problems, so.
Yeah, but
it took me a very long time.
Okay, so is that the only page you did today?
Yeah.
You need to do at least 2. We need to finish it quicker. More stuff. But go ahead, you're doing good, okay? I'm proud of you. And I see the ones you were doing, you answered them really quickly without counting on your fingers, and they were correct. They are correct. Good job.
Yes.
I think that's all I read with it. You ready to read? Did we read this already?
We read it at the doctor.
Oh, you started reading it. That's what it was. That's why.
So where was I up to?
I don't know. Come.
I think I know where I was up to.
No, we're gonna... I didn't read with you.
I was up here.
I didn't... So what's happening so far? Because I think we should start all over.
Okay, let's just start over.
Okay. You remember the characters?
Yeah.
What's on the characters?
There it is. Rose and Molly.
Molly. Alright, let's read. Go ahead.
Came over to play. Rose and Molly came over to play. Molly was holding a
M-Y spell me, like a E sound. Mysterious
folder. What is in there? I asked.
Okay. You know what's the word mysterious mean?
Something that is mysterious.
Yeah, so what is...
Or something that is legend.
Okay. It's something that they don't know. It's like a surprise kind of thing.
Like this. A long time ago, when everybody was a baby, they didn't know what were trains.
Okay, yeah. So it's something that they don't know what's in there.
Good.
Messy living room.
Okay. Yeah. Time to squash. Okay.
Your lower back. Do it again, Michael. Mark, move.
Excuse
me. Go ahead, do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright, come forward. Let me show you what you're doing wrong. Alright, since you want to put gamer video out there, you have to be very careful of what you put. Like I said, not everybody's gonna like your videos. Okay? So, this is why I told you yesterday, when you're putting content, you have to put content that you want to put out, not for people. Because if you, let's say for instance, auntie, one of your cousins said to put a video out about some game, and one of your friends said put this kind of video out, but you don't really want to do it, but you're doing it because of them. Now someone else, a random person, see your videos that you put based on what someone wants you to put out, and then they dislike it and they say something mean to you about it. How are you gonna feel?
I don't care.
you're gonna have to care because you're putting something out based on someone else asking you. But if you put something that you want to put out, that's where you don't care. Okay? Because you want to put it out, so you put it out. So people could dislike it or like it or whatever, you will not care because that's what you want to put. Los chiquitos. It might rain later, so let's go take a walk outside. I'm gonna take a shower. Mark, we didn't go out yesterday because of you, because you didn't want to go eat with Daddy. So we'll go for a little while and then come back. We need to get some fresh air, okay? When you come back, you'll get the TV. I'm gonna take a shower, and then you need to write. You need to practice your handwriting, okay?
I need to do my academy things.
Yes. So when we come back, why are you upset? Why you don't want to go out?
This one adds feet and hand straps that make it even safer than a
I don't care if you don't want to. You're gonna go out today. It's all cloudy. No. I took an umbrella already.
I forget.
Yeah, put it back.
Could I use it?
We could get going, and we're gonna go to the park nearby.
The one that gets sick on.
Yeah, the one I don't like, but it's closer. But I want you guys to go run for a little while. We may not stay too long.
You don't want to start raining.
I think it's raining already. All right, let me look outside. I think it's raining already.
Uh-oh.
You see the roof over here? It's wet. All right, let's go see outside. Go ahead. You could. Go ahead, go step out. Is it?
No.
Yeah, it's drizzling. Eventually. I guess I'll let you guys one-on-one.
Do you feel anything?
All right, let's go. There.
You don't feel anything.
All right, let's go.
I thought you were going to say we have to run here instead of the park.
Already.
No, I smell the rain, but
You
it's
smell.
not actually raining.
You smell the Yeah, when we're walking, we could pretty much walk anywhere unless if they block it and police put us things saying no walking or sidewalk is closed or something.
I'll go right there.
But it's cars that usually have restriction on where to enter and where not to enter. Capiche? Very cloudy.
But sometimes when people are parking at a shop, they can park anything, any like this.
No.
It's like your front of your car. When you're parking at a like this. When you're parking at a pizza shop, you make your front of the car.
That lady's on the bike. Wait, she should be on the street because there's a bike lane. Okay, there she is.
Why do bikes have to be on the street?
They have wheels. They put the space for them to walk. I mean, to ride on, not to walk, to ride on. Not every. Some street don't have it because the street is too small for the cars. You understand?
Only for the bike.
Yeah, come on.
He's really old.
Be quiet more. We'll play for a little while before it starts raining. We didn't bring anything to play, but
There's a kid if it starts raining. With the umbrella. I was wondering, I'm like, why is no one here? I look on the sign.
it's not a wonderful weather for me.
Okay, not
You
wet.
see you go by yourself more. Can you do it? Don't let your feet touch the floor. Back. Like Michael. Look how Michael's doing. Back. Yes. Oh, you keep on putting your feet on the floor.
Go faster.
No, you're actually stopping it. For back, forward, back. I'll push you.
The squirrels are gonna eat peanuts. And the squirrels eat peanuts right away.
Look at doggies. Just don't touch the dogs. You don't know how they might react. Oh, they're pooping. Let's move aside. That's why I don't like to have dogs. Because when they poop, you gotta clean after them. You like to pick up poop?
So, when I'm at store, I touch my poop.
Oh, somebody's on. Oh, there's this monster. Big monster.
Snap.
You playing by yourself?
Yes,
With bubbles?
I had a huge bubble and there's a bubble in here.
Okay.
This is mine.
Is that your favorite shirt? What kind of shirt is that? Your favorite shirt in the world. You wear it over and over and over and over.
So I can make people watch it.
Enjoy. Much better, yes. Go ahead. Now I want you to write on over here, letter A, uppercase A. Nope, don't put your hand up like this. It's supposed, you see, like this. Let me show you one more time. Okay? This finger, the middle finger, the pencil sitting on it, and that is gonna help control it, and these two come close to it. Now when you're putting your hand on to write, you don't go like this. Okay, you put it like that. Okay, A, uppercase A, lowercase a. Okay, go. Show me how you put it. Hold it. Put it right here. Let me see. Okay, now you're gonna write. No, like this.
The middle, the pencil controls the middle finger.
You need to see. Go ahead, write it there.
Right here?
Uh-huh. Okay. Good. Now write C. Each time you're writing, you hold the pencil like that. Oh, no, no, no. How is C supposed to be? You forgot already? See my mark? Look, yours is facing here, but C is supposed to be facing this way. See, you forgot already. Right, write C here.
See right here?
Underneath it, you could skip a line. No, how is your hand supposed to be? Turn it slightly. Yes. Okay. D. Okay, do uppercase D. Do all the alphabets, and let me see how you hold the pencil.
Wait, let me see how D.
Mm-hmm. Make sure everything sits on the line. Go ahead. I'm gonna send him back in the computer if he keeps crying again, like that.
A.
B, C, D. What's
C.
after? E.
In the middle.
Mm-hmm.
And write its little thing.
Okay. When you're doing the E, you could do this. Like you do the C. Okay? And then you bring this in. Because when you're starting backward like that, you tend to make it look a little bit weird. So pretend you're making a C the same way you make C. Like that. Go. Alright. Practice holding the pencil. That's all. Go ahead.
C.
No, your hand should not be next to it. It should be like that. Good. Go ahead.
C. D.
Uh-huh.
D's right here.
E. F. F. Do F. Uppercase F. Rotate your hand up slightly. You see how they have it here? and front. So that's like that. You having it like this. We don't want that. We want it like that. Okay?
Like this?
Mm-hmm. Go ahead. That way you have more control of the pencil. What did you do? Alright. Okay. Now I'm gonna write something and I'm gonna want you to copy it while you hold the pencil properly. Okay?
Got it.
Let me write the thing first. Can you read that for me?
My big brother and me.
Okay, you're gonna copy this. Try to use the same amount of space that I put. Okay? And hold the pencil properly. Start. Let me see how you do it. Up. Remember, the pencil needs to be like this, not like that. Okay? So far, you're holding it correctly. Make the pencil facing you. You see how this is facing me? Don't put it up. Make it, you see, pointing at you. No. Look, Mark. Look, Mark. Look at my hand. You see this finger?
I know.
Make it rest on it, and then that goes here, and this goes there.
Mm.
Go ahead. Let's see.
I don't think you should like this kind of A right here.
It's okay, because we're practicing holding it, the pencil. So, write the word A here for me while holding the pencil properly. Yes. Can you see what you're writing when the pencil's like that?
Uh-huh.
Go ahead. Okay,
Like
that's a very nice A. Do G for me. Because that's one thing you always have problem. But so far today, just when I was saying it, look how nice you did this G.
Just like yours.
Yeah, that's the way I want you to do it. You see that space between the circle and that? It's not good. Do another G. Up, pencil toward you. Nice. That's the way you should be doing your G's. Look how nice this look. It even look better than mine. That's a very nice G. Make another one. Nice. Again, because you always have problem with that. Good. Now write the word and. The only reason I'm making you write it, I want to see the spacing between the A and the next letter. Go ahead. What's the missing letter?
D.
Okay. This is where we always have problem when you're writing it. The A looks good. The N looks good. But the spacing, spacing between the two is too humongous.
Because of this tail.
Okay, so you need to make your tail smaller. Okay? For instance, if I'm writing small a, look. And you see the spacing is still close. And then D. You see? You see the spacing? Very close. Here, you make a huge space, and then these two stay together. It seems like it's only the N and the D are together, and then the A is by itself. It doesn't look like one word together. You want to try it again? Make the tail slightly smaller. Go ahead. Do it, and then I'll check.
Like this?
Oh, where is it?
The tail is right there. The C and the A and D.
Yeah, the spacing looks good. The only thing, I didn't record that, but the way you're holding the pencil, you're putting it straight up like that. But we want it...
Like facing me.
Yep, it's pointing at you.
Just like this. Pretend this is an eyeball and it's facing me.
Perfect example. Yes, you want the eyeball looking at you, not looking at the ceiling. Looking at you. Okay? Go ahead. Try it again. Write the word and again. And make sure the spacing is perfect. And the tail of the A is not too long. Go ahead.
I'll put it right here.
The pencil is not looking at you. Good. That's a nice tail. Good. Bring the line up more. Good. A little bit better. This, if you could do all your A's like that, that would be great. Your tail of the A, which is the way you call it, do it like that. One more time. Pencil looking at you. Wrist down slightly. You need to make the line longer, taller. Okay. Okay. Now I was looking at this here. Remember, we've been looking at some stuff lately, and then we're going up to 100s, right? And when I was showing you, and there was the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. Okay, let's work on that. Okay, wait, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each of these numbers, okay, we're looking at them here, up to 9, right here. All of these from 0 up to 9 are in the ones place because only one digit.
One digit. 2 digits are tens place.
Okay.
And 3 are the 100s place.
Oh God, I didn't know you know that. You remember what I told you when we were working on it.
Look,
okay.
1, 2, 3. Look, 1, 2.
Okay.
3.
Okay, so let's say, for instance, the number. Okay, show me number 95. Okay. What place value is the 9 and the number 95? The 9 only. This 9. What place value is the 9?
Tens place.
Okay. And the 5 is in what?
The ones place.
Okay. Now show me 195. I'm working right now. Give me a minute. 195.
195.
Okay. What place value is the 9?
The tens place.
And what place value is the 1?
The ones place. And the 5 is in the...
Look at, show me the 1 and number 195. What place value is the 1?
Ones place.
Nope.
Tens place.
Nope. Remember, when it's 2 digit,
2 digit.
this, the one in the back, is the ones place. The second digit is in the tens place.
So the 1 is in the tens place.
Nope. Okay, let's write it here. We said 195. How many digits? Each of these numbers are digit. How many digits are in this number?
100.
No. Okay, how many digits? Okay, this is a digit, the 1 is a digit, the 9 is a digit, the 5 is a digit. Digit meaning number, okay? This is a digit, that's a digit, that's a digit. Okay, how many digits are in the number 195? How many digits? How many numbers do you see here?
2.
Count this for me.
1, 2, 3.
How many digits do you see here?
3.
3 digits. Okay, so what place value is the 5? The one all the way in the back is what place value? Okay.
Tens place.
No.
Ones place.
What numbers make 10?
2.
What numbers make 10? If I said 10, what number? Write 10 for me. The pencil facing you. You're still holding the pen. Leave a big space because I'm going to work with the number 1. 10. Okay. What 2 numbers make 10?
1 0.
1 0. Okay? The 0 here is in the ones place. Okay? Ones place. The 1 and the number 10, together it's make 10, is in the 10 place. 10. We're going to put T here. Write 100 for me. Leave space, leave space. Go ahead. Okay. How many numbers are in 100?
3.
3 numbers, right? The first 0 here in the back, what place value is it?
Ones place.
Ones place. The second 0 is what place value it's in? Go ahead.
I'm not sure if it's the tens
It's
place.
the tens place because 10 has 2 digits, right? That's the tens place. What place value is the 1? We have ones and we have tens, and what the 1 is what place value?
100th place.
100th place. That's right. You see, when we're counting by like 10, 100, 1,000. Okay? So hundreds have 3 digits. Every time there's a 3 digit, 3 numbers and a number, the very first one is in the 100 place. Okay? The second one, okay, this is 100 at the 100 place. The second number is at the tens place. The last one in the back is at the ones place. Okay? You got 100, tens, and ones. Ones is only one number by itself, nothing else. That's why I was...
Just like this.
Yes.
This.
Yes.
Not all of these.
That's why.
Because they have
Please listen.
more numbers.
When you see one number by itself, it's in the ones place. Okay? Let's say...
If I see 2 numbers, it's in the tens place.
That's right. The number in the front is in the tens place. The number in the back is in the ones place. If you see a digit or a number with 3 numbers, let's say 188, okay, what place value is the 1? Right here.
Tens place.
No. 10. When you said 10, think of this. 2 numbers. This is 10. The 1 in front of the 0 make 10. Okay? 1 and 2 zeros make 100. So the 1, the 3 digit, the one in the front is in the hundreds place. You understand? See, there's 2 digit. Okay? This is in the tens place for number 1. Right? And this one right here is in the hundreds place. You see, there's a digit here, and then the one in the front is in the hundredth place. Understand? If I say 277, what place value is the 2?
The 100th place.
That's right. Because there's two numbers in the back of it, and all 3, okay, makes the 2 becomes 100th place. What place value is this second number here?
The tens place.
The tens place.
And this one is in the ones place.
Ones place.
It's like
Okay, what if I said 901? Okay, 901. What place value is the 9?
100th place.
And what place value is the 0?
Tens place.
What place value is the 1?
1.
Very good. You're free to go. Good job. All right? We'll review it again.